426 1652. This is how you would read the numbers above 100. Let's learn how to do that. Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In lesson 3 and 4, you learned numbers up to 100. In this video, we will be learning how to read numbers above 100. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can also visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, transcripts, early access to our videos and more. So let's begin. Lektion 16. Zahlen Teil 3. Here's the first one. 100 oder 100. Noch einmal 100 oder 100. The counting in hundreds is very easy. The next one is 200. Noch einmal 200. 300. Noch einmal 300. Similarly, the next numbers are 400. Noch einmal 400. 500. Noch einmal 500. As you have noticed, you just have to add the number in German plus 100. Isn't that easy? Now moving on. 600. Noch einmal 600. 700. Noch einmal 700. 800. Noch einmal 800. 900. Noch einmal 900. And the next one is 1000 oder 1000. The word formation in thousands is similar to the word formation in hundreds. Here you can see 2000. Noch einmal 2000. Similarly, you would say 3000, 4000 till you reach 10.000. Noch einmal 10.000. In German, the moment a number becomes 5-digit, you use a thousand separator. This you can see here as a point and not as a comma. 11.000. Noch einmal 11.000. Similarly, you can say 12.000, 20.000, 30.000, 80.000, and so on. Now let's come to a bigger number. 100.000 oder 100.000. Similarly, 200.000. Noch einmal 200.000. One thing you have to remember that all these numbers are written as one word. There are no gaps between 2 or 100 or 1000 and so on. Now we have reached 1.000.000. Noch einmal 1.000.000. Don't miss the thousand separators here. The next one would be 2 Millionen. Noch einmal 2 Millionen. Notice that when it is more than 1 million, you add en to make the plural Millionen. and this would continue as 3 Millionen, 4 Millionen, 10 Millionen, 50 Millionen, etc. Coming to another big number. 100 Millionen oder 100 Millionen. Moving on. 1 Milliarde. Noch einmal 1 Milliarde. 2 Milliarden. Noch einmal 2 Milliarden. So when it's more than 1 Milliarde, you add an N at the end to make it Milliarden. Now let's do some random numbers. Kombinationen. In this number, we have 100 plus 1. So you say 101 or just 101. Let's do the next number. 100 plus 10. We have 110 oder 110. If you think this is going too fast, you can always pause the video. Now the next number. 100 plus 11. 111 oder 111. Let's move on to the next number. Here we have 100 plus 21. So it's 121. Let's do the next number. Once again, we take the first number, 600, and then we come to 34 to get 634. Noch einmal 634. Let's take another example to understand this better. We take the first number 900 and then 87, so that we have 987. Noch einmal 987. Do remember that all this is written as one word. Let's move on to a slightly bigger number. 1000 plus 100 plus 1, so that you get 1101. Similarly, 1000 plus 100 plus 11. So you say 1111. Moving on to the next number. 2000 plus 400 plus 58. So you would say 2458. Let's take another example to understand this better. We first take the thousands number, 3000, then the hundreds number, 900, and then 45. So you would say 3945. Let's take a bigger number. 13.000 plus 200 plus 36. So we say 13.236. Don't let these numbers scare you. If you look at what's written here, you will find that it is really simple to remember. For bigger numbers, you can use this technique to form or to read or to write any number. Try doing that with some other numbers. Jahreszahlen. Let's learn how to say or write a year in German. So in this case, we would say 1900 plus 75. 1975. Moving on to another example. In this case, we would say 2017. Let's see how we can use these Jahreszahlen. Wann bist du geboren? Noch einmal, wann bist du geboren? Ich bin im Jahr 1990 geboren. I was born in the year 1990. Or you can say, ich bin 1990 geboren. Wann bist du geboren? Try writing this in the comment section below in words. Now let's quickly summarize. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 2000, 10.000, 11.000, 100.000, 1.000.000, 1.000.000.000. Hope you can now write or speak any number in German. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!